In this example, we're going to create a new list and fill it with positive numbers from another list, but we'll add 1 to each of them. Step 1. Create an empty list. We start by creating an empty list called new. This will store our new values later. The square brackets mean an empty list. Nothing inside yet. Step 2. Define the numbers. Next, we have a list called numbers. It contains positive, 0, and negative values. Step 2. Start a for loop. Here we start a for loop. It means go through each number in the list one by one. Each time, the variable number takes one value from the list. Inside the loop, we use an if condition. It checks whether the number is greater than or equal to 0. If that's true, it means the number is positive or 0. If the condition is true, we take that number, add 1 to it, and then use the append function to add it to our new list named new. We exited the for loop, and finally we print or check the content of list named new. Knowledge Club, the bridge to the future.